So we checked our web pages in the browser, and each of the web pages work. However, they're not linked together. So in order to link it together, we're going to need to go back to the Dreamweaver template. Now you may remember that if we have all of these open and make a change on the Dreamweaver template, it is automatically, or it's not going to automatically save them here. We're going to have to save them again. So I'm going to control click on Dreamweaver template, and I'm going to choose close other files so that Dreamweaver template is the only one that is open. Now we have, and I'm going to go back to full design view, we have up here an image and it has some text on it. If you click on it, notice that you get some different properties down here. We have all sorts of things. The ones that we want are down here at the lower left corner. Notice that we have hotspots, rectangular, elliptical, and polygon, or circle and polygon. And basically what this does is this puts a hotspot on whatever area we apply it to so that we can link to different pages. So I'm going to use the rectangular hotspot tool, and I am going to draw a rectangle with it around the word Austin. Notice that I didn't haphazardly draw it. I tried to keep it about the height of this white bar, just above it, just below it, and then same amount of space more or less to the left and the right. Now this says please describe the image map in the Alt field on the Properties Inspector. And this is going to pop up to remind us about that alternate text. So click OK. Here's your alternate text where you would want to type in Austin, because remember you have to let the visually impaired people know what it is that they're clicking on or looking at. Here is the link. Now by default it puts this pound sign here, which needs to be gotten rid of. That doesn't work. And we can certainly get rid of it simply by using this point to file and dragging it over and dropping it on the austin.htm. And basically what that did is it is linking to the page. The .. slash means it's looking up a level, because remember we're on the template page, so it's looking up a level outside of the templates folder into Austin, or to look for Austin. Then we'll repeat this with the three other pages, three other links. Here we have Dallas. And again, I'm drawing it carefully. Type in Dallas and point to the Dallas page. Houston. And point to Houston. And San Antonio. Type in the alt text and drag it to San Antonio. Now you need to know that these hotspots cannot overlap. If they overlap at all, they won't work properly. Okay, so that's why these are spaced out, and you need to make sure that if you wind up with anything close that it does not overlap. Now when I hit Command S, it's going to save the template and it's going to update, or ask me if I want to update everything. I'm going to click Update. It's done. I can hit Close, and I'm actually going to go to the folder, I think that's this one, on my desktop, and I'm going to double click on Austin to open it up. And notice that when I roll over Austin, I get the finger. That finger is showing me that it is a link. So I can click on all of these and it should go to their respective pages. And they do. So everything there works correctly. And because I didn't have those pages open, it automatically did it without me having to save those as well.